The header section is a shared feature among all of our templates. If you learn to work with one, you've learned to work with all of them. The header consists of 5 different customization items. Number 1. Alignment. This feature allows you to decide where you would like to display the title. Number 2. Title. The title is the heart and soul of the chart. It helps you convey your message and let your viewer make sense of your data faster. You can customize the font size and color. Number 3. Subtitle. A subtitle is where you can add 1 or 2 sentences or more information on the subject. The same customization process goes for the subtitle as well. Number 4. Text. Complex visualizations require more explanation. You can add your text to this section using the text option. Number 5. Border. If you feel like the header section has become way too crowded, you can separate it from the rest of the plot using a border. Thank you for watching PlotSet.